Everyone seems to be chasing the next billion-dollar AI company. Me? I'm not. I used a free AI tool to solve one simple, really annoying problem I kept seeing on Reddit. The little solution I built started bringing in what works out to be, for me, around $100 a day, and it's pretty close to passive income. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can see the entire process. So, how did this happen? How did I go from just scrolling forums to building a tiny automated business that helps pay my bills? Let's get into it. It all started in a place where millions of people go to complain, Reddit. Like a lot of you, I probably spend a little too much time scrolling communities online, but I decided to start treating it like market research. I wasn't looking for some revolutionary app idea. I was hunting for small, repetitive, boring problems. The kind of stuff people complain about all the time but can't find a great solution for. I started hanging out in subreddits like Are Freelance, Are Small Business, and other niche groups where people are trying to make a living. And one theme popped up again and again: total disorganization. I saw dozens of freelance writers, designers, and consultants all saying the same thing. I love what I do, but I'm drowning in admin work. I can't keep track of my clients, projects, invoices, and deadlines. My system is just a chaotic mess of spreadsheets, Google Docs, and sticky notes. Then one comment really hit me. Someone wrote, "I swear I spend 25% of my time just trying to find information I know I already have. It's costing me actual time and money." The replies were just a huge chorus of, "Yes, this." That was it. That was the spark. This wasn't some massive problem that needed venture capital to solve. It was a simple workflow and organization issue. The pain was obvious, people were losing money because of it, and the tools they were using were either way too complicated or way too generic. They didn't need another giant all-in-one software. They just needed a simple, elegant system built for them. And I realized I could probably build that without writing a single line of code. My goal was to create a minimum viable product, an MVP, as fast and as cheap as humanly possible. I gave myself a budget of exactly $0. This forced me to get creative and really lean on the incredible free AI and no-code tools that are out there for all of us. Here's the exact stack I used. First, for the bones of the product, I chose Notion. If you haven't used it, Notion is basically like digital Legos for building documents, databases, and websites. Its free plan is incredibly generous and was more than powerful enough for what I needed. I knew I could build an interconnected dashboard that would solve the exact problems freelancers were complaining about. Second, for the brains of the whole operation, I used ChatGPT's free tier. My goal wasn't just to build a template, but to build a smarter one. So I went back to those Reddit threads, copied hundreds of frustrated comments, and just pasted them straight into ChatGPT. My prompt was something like this: "Okay, below are a ton of comments from freelance writers and designers who are struggling with disorganization. Based on these specific complaints, design the perfect structure for a Notion dashboard to run their entire freelance business. Give me a list of pages, databases, and what properties each database needs. Think about client management, project tracking, a financial overview, and a content calendar." The AI came back almost instantly with a super comprehensive blueprint. It suggested a master client database that linked out to individual project pages. Each project would have its own task list, a place for documents, and an invoice tracker. It even designed a main dashboard to pull in upcoming deadlines and outstanding invoices from everywhere else. It was brilliant, a complete system born from real-world frustrations. Using that AI-generated blueprint, I spent the next afternoon just building the whole thing in Notion. I created the databases, connected everything, and focused on making it feel intuitive and clean. Third, to make it all look professional, I turned to Canva. Canva is a free-to-use graphic design tool that has a bunch of AI-powered Magic Studio features. Now, the free plan has its limits. Many of the most powerful AI tools like Magic Eraser or getting a lot of AI-generated images require a paid plan. But for my purposes, the free version was more than enough to create a slick cover image, some mock-ups of the template in action, and a simple PDF guide on how to use it. Finally, I needed a place to actually sell it. I chose Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform that lets you sell digital products with no monthly fee, which for someone starting with zero capital was perfect. They take a percentage of your sales, which includes their platform fee and payment processing. I set up a product page in a few minutes, wrote a compelling description, again getting ChatGPT to help me refine the wording, and uploaded my graphics and guide from Canva. I decided to go with tiered pricing. The core template was $19. But I also made a pro bundle for $49, which included a few extra goodies the AI had suggested, like a client onboarding checklist and some pre-written email scripts. So, within 48 hours of reading that first Reddit comment, I had a real digital product, a professional-looking storefront, and an automated delivery system, all without spending a dime. All right, let's hit pause for a sec. If you're getting some value out of this breakdown, and you're seeing how these simple free tools can click together, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. My whole goal with this channel is to share more practical, no-fluff guides just like this one. Your support honestly means the world. Okay, back to it. So I had the product. Now what? My launch strategy was just as simple and, you guessed it, completely free. I went right back to the Reddit threads, where I first found the idea. Now, this is super important. You can't just go around spamming your links on Reddit. You'll get banned instantly. You have to lead with value. I wrote a genuine comment that went something like this. Hey, I saw so many people struggling with this, and it really inspired me to build something. I put together a free Notion template to help organize clients, projects, and finances. I hope it can help some of you out. Notice, I led with the free version. That's key. It builds goodwill. Then, inside that free template, I put one small, non-pushy link to the paid pro bundle on Gumroad. Then I went to bed and didn't think about it. I woke up the next morning to an email from Gumroad with the subject line, "You've made a sale." It was for $49. Someone had apparently downloaded the free version, liked what they saw, and immediately upgraded to the pro bundle. A few hours later, another sale, and then another. That first weekend, I made over $300. It was completely mind-blowing. The best part? Waking up and realizing I'd made money while I was asleep. The feedback was amazing. People were saying things like, "This is exactly what I've been looking for, and you just saved me so much time and stress." From there, it just grew through word of mouth and by me occasionally sharing the free template in other relevant online groups. I don't run any ads. The traffic just comes from people finding the solution genuinely helpful and telling others. So, where is this today? To give you an idea, on a typical day, this little system might sell a couple of the $49 bundles, plus a few of the smaller $19 ones. Most days, that clears over $100. Now, obviously, this is just my story, and your results could look totally different, but it shows what's possible. And is this truly passive income? I'd call it semi-passive. It's not 100% set it and forget it. I probably spend 2 or 3 hours a week answering customer questions, reading feedback, and sometimes adding a new feature someone requests. But the sales, the delivery, the payments, that's all completely automated by Gumroad. That little bit of upkeep is what keeps the product valuable. So what's the big takeaway here? While everyone else is out there chasing these massive, complicated AI business ideas, there are thousands of small, boring, profitable problems just sitting in plain sight on forums like Reddit, in Facebook groups, and on Discord. You don't need to be a coding genius. You don't need a boatload of cash. My experience just goes to show that you can use the incredible free AI tools available to all of us right now, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion, to build a real solution and a real income stream. The playbook is simple. 1. Find a small, painful, recurring problem people are already complaining about. 2. Use free AI tools to help you design and build a simple, elegant solution. 3. Set up a free storefront on a platform like Gumroad. 4. Share your solution generously with the same community where you found the problem. For me, this little project born from a single Reddit comment has become a reliable source of income. It's just a personal story, but it's a powerful example of how solving one simple problem with the right tools can genuinely change your financial picture. Stop waiting for the perfect, massive idea. Go find one small, annoying problem and be the person who solves it. Thanks for watching.